Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. With the rest of the puzzles in a puzzle page, not in today's newspaper on Monday, November the 27th, 2023. No, it's the edition of the weekend. Yeah, weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, November the 25th, 26th. I've here already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars, actually 2 stars. We have one puzzle left in this puzzle page, but we have also an additional of the Sunday with 3 puzzles left. But let me start with this one, binary puzzle. A number, this will be number 7519. 7519. Okay. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 28 printed digits. Well, it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 We have a double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Alright. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Alright. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And here, I need to wait. We have here 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules of this can be 1. There should be an O. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between a 1 and an O, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Well. 1 minute faster than the previous binary puzzle, yeah. But we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles in the additional of the Sunday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.